Amphenol Sine Systems presents their DuraMate AHDP environmentally sealed multi-pin thermoplastic circular connector series. These IP69K rated connectors provide an economical, quick-connect bayonet locking system designed to endure the challenges of harsh environment off-road applications. They have been designed with an easy grip coupling system, along with visual and tactile indicators, which provide reliable mating verification. Also, this series maintains compatibility with existing industry standard designs. For wire management improvements, the series provides backshell systems for strain relief and wire seal protection, a low-cost tie wrap option, and a fully enclosed backshell. Both options are interchangeable for specific application requirements. Other features include high-density signal and mixed power insert configurations, and an operating temperature range from -55 to 125 degrees Celsius.